save this. Oh Lord. Let me pile the brush.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Meech. I'm back with another video. And y'all, it's been a minute since I recorded like this. It's been a minute since I've uploaded. It's been a minute since I've done a lot of things. So, October is my birthday month. Hey. And I got a new lens. Well, it was my old lens that I had before and broke. So I got that lens back. So I'm trying recording with that right now. I haven't adjusted any settings yet. So I'm hoping this is recording the right way. But yeah, so I decided to come on here tonight. I am tired. It's Friday evening. You know, Fridays are the most tiredest evenings. And I decided I wanted to record a look with one of my eyeshadow palettes. Because as, I don't know if you remember, but I said in a video upon video ago that I would record a look with every eyeshadow palette I have. And I'm nowhere close. So I'm trucking along. I think 2022 is going to be my year. But today, I wanted to play in the ABH Norvina palette. I'm a little intimidated because it's such a big palette and it's pressed pigments. I don't know what I'm doing anyway with regular eyeshadow, but we're going to see what it do. So I'm going to use this recording with my new but old lens, and I'm kind of far back from my makeup desk because I can't remember how to adjust the lens, so I just moved back, and I think I kind of like how this is looking, so y'all let me know. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to the Norvina palette. So if you want to see this video, just keep on watching. Okay y'all, the Norvina palette, the ABH Norvina Pro Pigment palette number 5. So palette number 5, that means they've had 4 of the palettes that I did not want to get. Nothing which struck my fancy until I saw this palette. So I don't know if it's getting drowned out by the lights, but I know you've seen it. It's the pretty lilac palette, and it's purple in tone. Comes with the little sheet. These are the colors. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on into it. I have on my same makeup that I had from work. I washed off my eye look, and I refreshed my foundation and my concealer, and now that's all that I have on my face. So let's get started. I am gonna, first of all, I like the way this sits up. I like the way this sits up so I can use the mirror. It just sits like that, and I think it can go further back. I don't know if that was this palette or not, but I like the way it just sits flat and the mirror goes a little diagonal like that, so that's nice. So I'm going to, like I said, I only have concealer and powder on my eyes, but I'm just going to go ahead and go for broke and use this Thrive Cosmetics primer on my eyes. See what it do. Consider I do need all the help I can get. I feel like I am improving from watching people's videos, but from every situation to the next, I'm coming up with something different. So I'm using my Sonia G, whatever this is. It's the one for the cream and liquid products. I really like this for this set of brushes for my concealer, for my foundation and stuff like that. I really like them. So that's what this is. So that's on my eyes. We're doing this. So looking at the palette, I think so my question is this the type of palette where each quad is a look? I don't think so. No, if it is, then I can't see it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead, I'm gonna go in with what's this, B3, this nice lilac color. It's very pigmented. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. Put that in my crease. Okay. I didn't start seeing color until I patted it on. I went immediately to windshield wipers. You gotta put it on first. So I put some on, now I'm doing windshield wipers. And now I see it. And that's just right there under my brow bone. It does have some kick up. I'm pretty sure y'all know that already. Now I'm gonna go into this deeper, this E5, and put it in my outer and some in my inner, my outer V and in my inner corner. Wow. And I just picked up another brush. I don't know if I could have used that other one, but it just seemed like it wasn't picking up products like the product like I needed to, but this one did. I'm just doing some circles. And there's no black in here, but this is a deepened like eggplant purple. Maybe think of that deep purple lipstick that MAC has. Maybe I'll put that on. I can't remember the name right now. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. I'm gonna go back to that first brush I had with the lilac color, get a little bit more, and just go up top right up here. Okay, now go back to that brush with the darker color. I'm not gonna put anything on it. I see how much is on here to do the inner. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need just a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on in.
I guess you had a Zoom with Charles tomorrow?
Uh-huh. No, Sunday.
Okay.
What?
That's football day.
Oh, that's football day? That's what he said? Had to take his business.
Hey, dog.
Get out of here.
Did they hear me?
No. They probably did.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so let's see. Wipe this one off. Ugh. Now, so see what I've done. Now I'm gonna see about like doing kind of like a halo eye, y'all. I'm showing out. Now, which color do I want? I think I'm gonna do A3 with my finger. A3 and pat that on there. Oh yeah. Okay. Ooh, this kind of look like that. I mean, not exactly, because she is uber talented. But I kind of got this idea from Colorful Camille, because she is amazing. She didn't use this palette, but she had to use a ColourPop palette and did something like this. So I was like, I'm going to do it too. Imitation is the best form of flattery, y'all, if y'all did not know. Okay, so I wiped this brush off and I'm going to go in. Should I put something up here? I'm just going to use A4, this light brown. How did my blending look? I don't know, but feel like it looks okay. Let's go around this kind of like halo and make sure that looks nice. And another thing I have learned from it's Lori's life, because I was like, why my outer V never looks sharp or anything? She wipes it up and cleans it with concealer off camera and it looks perfect. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll be right back. Remember my purple look? Now I'm going to bring the color down to my lower lash line, not to smoke it out, but to make it more cohesive. And I learned that from Morgan Turner Makeup. See, I'm learning, y'all. So I'm going back into E5. Is that, did that look like I got punched? Yikes. I'm gonna use this Spectra, which you probably can't see, from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. Feeling like I'm looking a little clownish. Alright, we'll see what in playback.